Welcome back. Let's do question 7.1. AB is a vertical flagpole that is root 5 p meters long. This is AB, which is root 5 and p meters long. AC and AD are two cables anchoring the flagpole. We have AC and AD, which are the cables that are anchoring the flagpole. B, C, and D are in the same horizontal plane. B, C, and D are in the same horizontal plane, so they are forming this triangle BCD on the ground. BD is 2P, BD is 2P diameters. Then angle ACD is X, that is angle ACD. And then angle ADC is 45 degrees. This is angle ADC. Determine the length of AD in terms of P. Right, when you're doing 3D trick, it is very important that you identify the triangles. Which triangles do we have here? We have triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. Let's just list them. We have triangle ABC, and then we have triangle BCD, which is a triangle on the ground, triangle BCD, which is the one on the ground, and then we have triangle ABD. We have triangle ABD, which is also a right angle triangle. And then we also have triangle ACD. If you check, we have triangle ACD, which is the one at the front, which is formed by, triangle ACD is formed by the two cables AC and AD, and also CD there. So we have triangle ACD. So these are the four triangles that we have. So 7.1, we want to determine the length of AD. You look at the side that you are looking for. We're looking for AD. In which triangle do we find side AD? We find AD in triangle ABD, in this triangle, right? And then what type of a triangle is it? This is a right angle triangle. We have two sides, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find AD. The hypotenuse is 80, so AD squared is equal to AB squared plus BD squared. Then there is in Pythagoras. Okay, and then let's substitute what we have. AD squared is equal to AB squared, which is root 5. Please take note, it is root 5. P is not square rooted, so it's like this, and then plus 2P squared. Then AD squared is equal to, then square root of 5 squared, that is 5, and then P squared, that is P squared. Then plus 2P squared, we'll get 4P squared. And then AD squared is equal to 9P squared. Then we can square root both sides, square root. And then what do we get? Get that AD is equal to 3P. So this is 3P.